Welcome back to today's video, where we'll be discussing the latest and greatest in the world of technology. First up, Apple has officially announced the latest version of their popular MacBook Air. With a faster and more efficient M1 chip, improved battery life, and a stunning Retina display, it's the perfect tool for those on the go. Next, Microsoft has launched their latest operating system, Windows 11, featuring a brand new user interface and exciting new features, including the ability to run Android apps natively. Tesla has also made a major step forward in autonomous driving technology with the release of their full self-driving mode to the public. Samsung's latest foldable phone features a larger and more durable display, perfect for multitasking. Lastly, Amazon has launched their Prime Air drone delivery service, a major breakthrough in the world of delivery services. Just imagine getting your package delivered by a drone in under 30 minutes.